Hello, welcome back to the Microsoft PowerPoint application course. We will continue with the introduction to PowerPoint, and in today's video we will start talking about the components of the Microsoft or MS PowerPoint window or environment. In the last video we showed you how you can start PowerPoint and what PowerPoint is about. So let us pull up one of the PowerPoint we already started with. So I will pull up presentation 1. So we will break down the different parts into several videos. So in this video we will talk about a few parts, and then in the other videos we will continue with the other parts. So the first part I want to mention is the title bar. If you go to the top of the window, here you see this is written presentation 1 PowerPoint. So this is the title bar. The title bar displays the name of your presentation. Now, whenever you open PowerPoint for the first time on your computer, it names it presentation 1. And when you open another one, it says presentation 2, which if we look at the second presentation we opened, it says presentation 2. And that is what happens if you keep doing that. Now, if you want to see the name of your presentation or your document here, you have to save it, and we will talk about saving your presentation in a separate video that we will do later. So that's the title bar. The next part of the PowerPoint window I want to talk about is both the slide page and the slide pane. Now if you look at the navigation or the page navigation area, so this is the navigation area, and here you see what we listed here as 1. And normally we call it slide page because in Microsoft Word you use the word page. In PowerPoint they are called slide. So in this area you can find the pages or slides. So we will just keep to the term slide. So you can add more slides or slide pages to your PowerPoint. To do that, you simply go to the current page, because every PowerPoint or new PowerPoint comes with a default of 1 page. So if you right click, I can say new slide, and when I click new slide I get a new slide added and it becomes slide 2, and here you can see slide 2. So this is about the slide page or the slides. There's also the what we call the slide pane, which is the area here, depending on which slide you are, that you can enter information. And so this is where you put in the information. So if I'm on slide 2, then I can put my information here. So this is the slide pane. In MS Word we call it document pane. And the next item we will talk about is the placeholder or the text placeholder. So this is where you can enter the text, and these are just the boxes you see here that tells you click to add title or click to add subtitle. So in PowerPoint, these areas where you can type in that says click to add title or text are called the text placeholder. And if I want to type, I can go in and click. So when I click, what you see is now the insertion pointer or the cursor. So the insertion pointer comes out when I click, and I can type in text. So if I click and I want to type PowerPoint, for example, and I click somewhere outside it. If I want to select the text, I go in and I click on it again. And here I can also add a subtitle, and I can say teach me. Good. So this is about the slide pane. The next item, it's about the text placeholder, but you do it on the slide pane. And the next item we'll talk about is the menu or the tab bar. Now the menu or tab bar is below the title bar, and this goes from file, home until help. Now, every menu holds a set of instructions or command. So, for example, I'm currently on Home menu or Home tab, and below that you will see a number of other things. These are groups and commands. The groups are the ones below, which are separated by the vertical lines. So we have under Home menu, you have the clipboard, the slides, the font groups, so on and so forth. And under each group, you have a set of commands. Like on the clipboard, you have paste, you have format painter, you also have copy. And on the font, you have bold and text shadows. So you can use this to issue commands, and these are the things we will be showing you in videos to come. And that is about the menu or the tab and the group and the commands in each group. So the next thing we want to talk about will be what we call customize quick action toolbar. Now we talked about instructions or commands which are part of each group. Now the customize quick access toolbar is a toolbar that you can quickly access some commands. So if I click on this, I can immediately see commands like open, new, email, and all that. And I can also look for more commands. So it's just a quick way to access some commands. And these are the part of the Microsoft PowerPoint window that we will discuss in this particular video. And I will talk to you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.